Welcome to the Cormant-CS installation walkthrough. In this video, we'll guide you on the installation process of Cormant-CS DCIM on an app server and on a separate DB instance. We'll be visualizing the detailed steps found in our comprehensive installation guide to help you get up and running smoothly. Our setup will involve two machines, a new application server and a separate existing server already running Microsoft SQL Server. We will cover adding the web server role, installing the Cormant-CS server and web components, and restoring a demo database for initial configuration. This guide will not cover the installation of Microsoft SQL Server itself. We also have separate dedicated videos for setting up Microsoft Entra ID and for configuring the Cormant-CS offline app, so be sure to check those out.
Before we begin, you will need your Cormant-CS license file, product code, and serial number.
If you don't have this, please contact our support team. You will also need Windows Administrator rights on the application server. Server setup. We're starting on our new application server. Cormant-CS requires the .NET Framework 4.8, which is pre-installed on Windows Server 2019 and later. Our first step is to install the IIS web server role. From Server Manager, open the Add Roles and Features wizard. It's crucial to install specific features. Please pause the video here to match your selections to the ones on screen, which are detailed in our installation guide. The IIS URL Rewrite module. Next, go to the Microsoft website. Then we need to download and install the IIS URL Rewrite module. Run the installer. And once finished, you can confirm it by finding the URL Rewrite icon in your IIS Manager. Let's bind the SSL certificate. Launch IIS Manager on the left pane, expand the host name of the server, then expand sites. Click Default Website on the left pane, click Bindings. Add HTTPS binding. Select the appropriate certificate. Then click OK to save changes. Cormant-CS installation.
Now that our server is prepared, we can begin the Cormant-CS installation. First, we'll install the Cormant-CS server. Navigate to the server folder and run the setup file. Proceed through the wizard, entering your unique product code and serial number. We'll keep the default components for this installation. When the database wizard appears, click Cancel for now. Also, do not start the business services yet. At the end of the installation, ensure the SQL Server 2012 SMO component is checked and installed. Next, install the web components. Navigate to the web folder and run that setup file. Proceed through the wizard with the default settings to complete the installation. Switching to Database Server. On the App Server, navigate to the Cormant Program Files directory to find the database backup folder. Copy the 3 backup files, then paste them to a local directory on your SQL Server. Open SQL Server Management Studio. We will restore each database one by one. Right-click on Databases, select Restore Database, change the source to Device, and locate your first .back file. Repeat this process for all 3 backup files.
Final configuration. With our databases restored, we can return to the application server to complete the setup. Open the Cormant Database Wizard from the Start menu. Running the Database Wizard as a different user, usually with the domain account with SQL access. Enter the name of your SQL Server instance. Select your authentication method and test the connection. The wizard will stop the services. Under Database Creation Options, we can select Use Current Database. Click Next, and the wizard will configure and start the services. Now we need to change the default application pool user to an account that has access to the SQL Server. Open IIS Server Manager. In the left pane, expand the server's hostname, then click on Application Pools. In the application list, select CS Web and click Advanced Settings on the right pane. Under the Process Model section, select Identity, configure your service user, and click OK to save the changes. Repeat the process for CS REST API and CS Web API. IIS must be restarted after configuring the changes. And that's it. Your installation is complete. You can verify this by opening a web browser and navigating to your Cormant-CS web portal. A password change is required for the user's initial configuration. Please follow the prompt. That wraps up our Cormant-CS installation walkthrough. For the Entra ID and OSS setup guide, you can visit our YouTube channel flashed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos and resources.
Have questions or need support? We're here to help.